Hey guys, so it's the next video I'm going to be doing. It's these all-in-one type of games you plug in straight into the TV and kind of play them with the controller. You can see here, plug-and-play TV games. Someone had asked me to review or take one of these apart, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So pretty straightforward, just a few screws. I'm curious to see what's in here. I'm guessing it's going to be similar to what was in a Game Boy, probably like a mid-grade board, some gold maybe for the guys who take out extract the gold from boards and whatnot. A few more screws. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. Oop. A little clumsy today with a screwdriver. So we have 4 crappy batteries. I doubt those work. I didn't even try testing to see if these work. My best guess is they probably still do work, but I've looked them up online and they don't sell for much. It's not worth the hassle to sell online, and that's pretty much the only way I sell is online. So we have a little battery here. Nothing special here. It's not the silver type ones that are actually worth keeping. These are just regular lithium batteries. So yeah, like I said, some cheap medium grade board, brown board, some wires. Nothing to write home about, that's for sure. Let's see the other side of this green board. If it's green on both sides, or one's green and one's brown. Because once you see brown, it's pretty much low grade. I'm guessing the Hot Wheels game here should probably be very similar.